What's the success rate of medical treatment alone versus everything altogether, including meditation, yoga,
Yeah.
plus other things that you are doing?
Yeah, so, medication only takes you so far. It's not gonna be the 100%. Of course, there are illnesses like bipolar disorder and schizophrenia where medication is absolutely necessary and, you don't wanna not be on medication. But we've got our depression and anxiety, which anxiety, at the end of the day, the medicine is just putting a Band-Aid on it. You're not gonna be
Right.
able to treat it unless you're doing therapy and you're learning techniques to calm yourself down, coping skills. And so the yoga and meditation and sound baths and all of that is like part of those coping skills. So you can learn those in therapy, but then you need that extra kind of help where somebody's guiding you through those. And
Hmm.
so, absolutely, there's a huge benefit of doing these things. Finding like relaxation and break, that's another thing we as Americans are dealing with, right? Our lives are so busy, we don't stop. And so that's like the pause in your day where you stop and you breathe and you take a break from everything else and just focus on yourself. And it's hard for people to practice that on their own. And that's why these modalities help, these services help them take a break from everything and learn these skills with a healer or an expert in that particular modality.